Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Yeedi M14 Plus. If you're interested in the M14 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now, first thing I want to mention is a restart is different from a reset. A restart is a simple reboot. We're power cycling it on and back off or off and back on. So in this case, we already have the vacuum on. You can remove the front cover here, and that reveals our red on and off switch. So all we have to do here is toggle that to the red circle. That's going to turn everything off. And then we can toggle it back to the solid gray line and everything is powered back on. Just give it a second to spin up. Chances are you'll even hear the LiDAR spinning around, but very simple to restart your Yeedi M14 Plus. Just flip the red switch.